There, that's recording.
Ribbit.
How far does this go? I'm guessing to the source.
I was hoping there'd be like one big one.
Want to go sit on the rock? Yeah.
I know you're gonna try that right now.
Hey, more snow. It's a little hard to explain to your parents too.
Yeah, so it's like hiking.
So we were in the middle of nowhere, and Matt was Matt. And now we call him tripod, monopod. How far you want to go?
We'll keep going,
Sure. As well, we're here. Don't fall in. Now what? So you say we're going back?
Yeah, okay. Alright.
Alright. Turn around. I don't do this uphill stuff anymore. See, that's why downhill is so much more fun.
Yeah.
Beside all the cars that are nearly gonna kill you. My foot's wet again now.
I wonder how long until that'll be eroded.
A long time, I'm thinking.
We better stick a log in there too.
We have to get across that log, don't we? Oh no. Can I move first?
That's up.
Ow!
Are you okay? Holy fuck. I thought that broke your arm.
No.
Oh man, I did not see that. I was like, oh.
It like came back.
You caught it. Go kill on.
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I think the camera caught the log.
Fuck man, that looked like it hurt.
Oh, a little bit.